Oh my God, I can't believe my bumper is finally here, y'all. Nah, crazy. That's just crazy. 19 weeks in the making. That's right, 19 weeks I've been waiting for this thing, and it's finally here. I am zooming to the warehouse. Dissent Offroad, no-cut rear bumper, dual swing out. The works has finally arrived. Ben Calhoun, if you're listening to this, man, it took forever. I mean, 19 weeks. I think I actually got older. Well, yeah, I did get older actually. So I'm on my way. I cannot wait. We're gonna open that bad boy. It's a wait, what? 357 pound? Boy, I hope that's not right. I can't add 357 pound bumper on my LX. Can I? Maybe I can. No, I won't. Anyway, we'll see. 19 flipping weeks. There we go. Ta-da! Maybe I need the knife that works. See what's inside the box. That's a shit ton of parts that fits inside. Holy crap. All right. Wow. So very well packed. Lots of foam. Y'all, inside this is a big ass bumper. Yeah. Big bumper. I don't even know if I can carry the whole thing. Wow. I mean, very well. Really great. Really good powder coating. Ben, if you watch this video, I can tell you the packing is excellent. Everything is well protected. There is no damage to the powder coating whatsoever. I want to get to the main bumper. All right. Holy crap! All right, y'all. We're gonna need new springs. This is one of the swing out. I wouldn't be surprised if it wasn't like 25 pounds, 30 pounds. Wow. I mean, y'all need to look at these welds. Like seriously, look at the welds. This is some quality right there. Powder coating feels very thick. All right, well, we got lots of parts. We got parts upon parts. I believe that's got to be, I don't know. It's a part. That's why we're going to do a little assembly video. We're going to do the complete install video soon. I think this is the flip down table that goes on one of the swing arm. It goes behind the behind the tire carrier. Super well protected. You know, this is quality stuff. I guess this is the part where the wheel is going to mount, adjustable. Gussets. Wow, the wheels are just crazy. Very glad I took the I chose the option of the powder coating. Lots of part. See the little Dissent Offroad. Oh, we're getting close to the bumper. We're getting close to the bumper. What do we have here? Oh.
Are they skid plates?
No, they're just, it's different. It's all different parts. Yeah. Yeah, it's all different parts. think it's what this says, some assembly required. I haven't seen the PDF that tells you how to install it yet. That's going to be interesting. This is a secondary receiver which sits higher on one of the swing out. It's going to be great. Planning on doing a little bike carrier with that. All right. Second swing out, equally 25 to 30 pounds. Look at the size of this spindle. Jesus. Wow. Grease ports. Awesome. Welds are incredible. And this is when I need help. There's no way I can carry this bad boy. Holy crap. Look at these. Those are the 2 halves. Wow. Holy shit.
You got it?
Yeah. I think I busted one of my nuts. All right. Yep. Those are the 2 halves. Somewhere in that box, I bet there is. Yeah, that's it. That's it for that. The pallet. Some of it here. And then I guess inside that box is all the hardware. Yep. So we have a harness, box of goodies, bunch of bolts. I believe I did get the option of some LED lights. Those are the little shocks to keep the swing out, you know, to ease up the opening of the swing outs. So yeah, very excited. 19 weeks in the making, 19 weeks waiting for that thing. All of this is gonna go at the back of this. So we will follow up with a little install video. Shouldn't take too long. Assembly is gonna be probably interesting. I don't see any PDF. I don't see any information that tells you how to put it together. So we'll put it together and then we'll make that available on YouTube. Hey guys, really quickly, I wanted to show you a quick detail of the entire bag of hardware that comes packaged with the Dissent Offroad no-cut rear bumper. And I think it speaks to the quality of craftsmanship, how well everything is packaged, the attention to detail. Every little piece of this hardware that you see is individually wrapped in bubble wrap, then shrink wrapped, and Ben and his team are doing a fantastic job. Every piece of bolt is the right grade. Everything is individually packaged by one of his team who puts his name on the package. And it's simply fantastic. I can't wait to start the assembly of this bumper. Depending on the configuration that ultimately you will take. I have a dual swing out with a tire carrier and the 3 jerry can holder on one side. So I'm assuming that you know, some of this will be to assemble those swing out parts. One thing worth noting is that some of this hardware you see here is not steel, but aluminum. I'm guessing it's for certain weight saving, and probably also manufacturing is easier to stamp that as out of aluminum than doing it in steel. But the powder coating is incredible. It's thick, it's flawless. And again, it took me close to 19 weeks to get it, but I can tell you that if I had to do it again, I would absolutely, categorically do it all over with Ben, no doubt. So he is an incredible business guy, Communication is great. He tells you what's up, when it's up. He shoots straight. So guys, go ahead and order your Dissent Offroad bumper from Ben without any fear of the quality that you will receive. Ben, I cannot wait to put that video together.